Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pop rock candy at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. For that signature fizz, have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of citric acid ready. Don't forget your favorite flavorings and a few drops of food coloring to make your candy vibrant and delicious. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves over medium heat. Insert a candy thermometer and continue to cook without stirring until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for the candy's texture. This next step is where the magic happens. As soon as your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. Quickly but carefully, stir in your 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of citric acid, and any desired flavorings and food coloring. You'll notice the mixture will begin to fizz and bubble vigorously. Work swiftly, as it will start to harden very quickly. Once everything is mixed, immediately pour the fizzing candy mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread it thinly and evenly. Now, the hardest part, patience. Let the candy cool completely and harden for at least 30 minutes or until it's firm to the touch. Once fully cooled, use a mallet or the back of a spoon to break the candy into small, irregular, and wonderfully fizzy pieces. Enjoy your homemade pop rock candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.